Good morning, welcome to Gisme TV. Police don't go back one popular pastor wey be general overseer of God's Own Deliverance Ministry aka Solution Center. And this church dey located for Efizomo Street before Abraka Road, Boji Owa. And the name of the pastor na Pastor Emmanuel. Then according to the information, dem say police go arrest am sake of say this pastor allegedly go dupe im own cousin the sum of 12 million naira. E say both of them na from Owanta community for Ika Northeast local government area of Delta State. Now the source, the information wey reach us come reveal say e say Mr. Jolly Buzugbe say im live for overseas, dey for abroad, im no dey for Nigeria. So na im come get too much trust for this im cousin wey be Pastor Emmanuel. As he hear say na pastor, im come get too much trust for am, say this im cousin go help am dey run shows, dey run things, dey take care of im property and wey im dey invest for Nigeria. Now na im dis im cousin come send am the sum of 9 million naira, say make e help am buy a piece of land for Agbo. Then the source, the information wey we get now from Ika Weekly come tell us say after the pastor don receive the money, instead wey e go purchase the piece of land for im cousin, for Mr. Jolly Buzugbe, na im e come collect the money. E come start to dey spend the money on women. E dey use am dey carry women up. Okay, so after the pastor don go use the 9 million naira marry another woman, come dey use the money, dey spend am, dey do any as e sweet am. So dem say e no end there again. Na im e come go still sell the palm plantation wey Mr. Jolly Buzugbe buy, wey e hand am over, say make e begin take care of this palm plantation farm. So e carry am give am, and according to the information, dem say this im brother buy this palm plantation 6 million naira. But now this Pastor Emmanuel Oppo come go sell this farm plantation, the palm plantation, he come go sell am for 3 million naira. So according to source, now they come talk say this one na person wey no know the pain of how im brother take get the money, take buy, take invest into this palm plantation farm. So wetin dem buy for 6 million naira, this Pastor Emmanuel go sell am 3 million naira, so that e go see more money take dey lavish on the new wives wey e dey marry up and down. Now Pastor Emmanuel, after e don transact the business, e come go forge some document agreement, land agreement paper. E no buy the land though. E go forge land agreement paper. E come invite some members of im church. E come pay them 50,000 naira each, say make dem come sign the fake document, say im don buy the land. So the church members come help am sign the fake document. As dem sign am finish, dem say the one wey pain dem pass inside be say e come carry the paper come go give the wife of Jolly Buzugbe, because the wife and family dey for Nigeria. E come carry the document go give am, say this one na the document of the land wey your husband buy. So the wife now, wey no know say this document say na Dagbo document, e come collect all the documents, say make I keep am well for my husband, so that if he come back, he go see say im cousin wey be pastor don help am invest im money well. So the woman carry the document, na him e come save am well, not knowing say na all of them na fake documents. Now the source come also disclose say Pastor Emmanuel, now after e don forge the document now, so another woman wey be im church member, wey come tell am say im dey get problem with im husband, and this woman dey married to one police officer. So e come tell am say im dey get problem with im husband. Now Pastor Emmanuel Oppo come go rent a very big apartment for this church member. wey be police officer wife, and this woman get 3 children wey e born for the police officer. Now e rent the apartment for am, e furnish the apartment, and on top of the matter e carry 500,000 naira give the woman say make e take start business. Now as information wey dey reach us now be say the woman now no longer come stay with the husband again, because e don see another person wey rent am better apartment and come give am 500,000 say make e take start the business. Now pastor don dey do kurukere according to information with this police officer wife. As at the time Emmanuel Opo, they come parade am, police come carry am, parade am, go arrest the other church members wey e be say e pay them 50,000 naira each to sign that document say e don buy the land wey worth 9 million naira. Now as we dey talk now, the pastor dey for police custody, and also the church members wey join am to sign all the fake documents dey for police custody. Now when dem come ask the pastor say, you wey be pastor, wey be general overseer of a church, you be general overseer of a very popular church wey be God's Own Deliverance Ministry, aka Solution Center, how e come be say na you come indulge into this dubious and unholy act wey you dey do so? Na him the pastor come say, not be in clear eye, say not be in fault, say na devil na him cause am. You know say once things like this happen, the devil na him dey always carry the blame. Na the devil dey get the conk for head, because na devil go tell you say make you carry the money, na devil go tell you say make you forge document, devil come still tell you say make you carry another man wife, all because he come complain give you say he and his husband dey get gbege. Devil come tell you say yes, carry 500,000 naira wey not be your own, take and rent house for am. This devil devil don cry tire because of all the lie wey dem dey lie on top of him head. The issue now come be say, after when the owner of the land come back, when the owner of the property wey be Mr. Jolly Buzugbe, when he come back from abroad, he come demand to see the document and the land and the plantation, farm plantation. So the wife carry the document, give am. The man come say, okay, very good. Now, pastor, come show me where the land dey, so that I go start construction immediately. Nine water, nine sasako enter gari. Pastor not see land, show the owner. He not see palm plantation, show the owner. Now from there, the owner come find out, say, yes, say pastor don't do palm more than 12 million naira, and also the money now wey he sell for the palm plantation, he not even give am, he not give am back to the owner. He dey rent house for, and the ones where they give money to start business. Thank you very much.